Good morning students. Let us continue our same chapter, safety and first aids. So now today I am going to explain you first aid for burns. So how do we get burns? So there are many reasons of burns, like our skin can get burned by flame, by hot objects and by hot liquids and by chemicals. So chemical burns occurs when your skin or eyes come into contact with an irritant such as an acid or a base. So chemicals burns are also known as caustic burns. So these chemical burns may be cause a reaction on your skin or within your bodies. And the next reason of burns is by contact with electricity. Electricity burns may look small, but they may be quite deep. So, these are all the causes of burning. So, now let us tell you here what should you do if you are minor burns. So, in case of minor burns, apply ice or cold water or running water from the tap on the burnt area, and then apply antiseptic cream like Bernol, and to avoid the infections, and a paste of baking soda applied on the burnt area. So these are the first aid for minor burns. And now if someone gets severe burns, so what should we do? We do in case of severe burns. So first make the patient lie down on a clean bed sheet and take the patient to a doctor or a hospital immediately. And after that, sometimes blisters appear on the burnt area. Blisters it means a painful red swelling on the skin that contains liquid caused usually by burning. So, do not prick the blisters because germs will enter through the blisters and cause infections. And after that, cover the burnt area with a clean piece of soft cotton cloth to protect from germs and dirts. So these are the first aid for severe burns. So next, first aid for sprains. Sprains it means moch aa jana. A sudden fall or hit on a particular organ causes sprain. The tissues around the joint or the part get ruptured, causing a severe pain and swelling. So this is called a sprain. It means sprain is the twisting it means मुड़ा हुआ या घूमा हुआ, and swelling up of joints such as the ankle gets twisted and swells up in a sprain. So tissue around the twisted joints are damaged. So this causes a lot of pain and swelling. So this is called a sprain. Is it clear what is a sprain? It means damaging of tissues around the twisted joints is called a sprain. So in case of a sprain, apply ice packing in a piece of cloth or polythene bags repeatedly till the pain and swelling subsides. And after that, rub the ointment on the sprain joints 2 or 3 times a day, and after that wrap a crepe bandage around the sprain joints after rubbing the ointment. Or later you can apply pain reliever spray on the sprain. So these are the first aid for sprains. So that's all for today. Keep revising.